In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink an image in Google Docs. Whether you're looking to enhance your document by making images interactive or simply want to provide additional resources linked directly within your text, this simple tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. Let's start by opening your Google Docs document. If you haven't already inserted the image you want to hyperlink, let's do that first. Simply navigate to the top menu, go to Insert, then hover over Image. You'll have various options for inserting your image, such as uploading from your computer, selecting from your Google Drive, or even using a URL. Choose the method that works best for you and insert your desired image into your document. Once your image is in the document, it's important to ensure it's set correctly to allow hyperlinking. For this, the image should be set inline or inline with text. If your image is currently set to wrapped or floating, it can affect your ability to hyperlink. To change this, click on the image to access its positioning settings and adjust accordingly. Now that your image is ready and in line with text, the next step is to select it. Click on your image to see a blue outline appear around it, indicating that it is selected. This blue outline is your confirmation that any changes you're about to make will apply to the image specifically. With the image selected, we're ready to move on to hyperlinking. Navigate again to the top menu and click on Insert, then select Link. This will open the Link dialog box, a small pop-up where you will enter the URL or web address you want your image to lead to. Carefully paste or type the correct URL into the provided space. This is a crucial moment, as any typos in the web address might lead your readers to a broken link or an unintended website. After you've entered the URL, you'll notice an Apply button appears on this dialog. Click it to confirm your entry and complete the hyperlinking process. Your image should now be hyperlinked, meaning clicking on it will take you directly to the web address you entered. As a final note, always test your link before finalizing your document. Click on the image yourself to ensure it redirects to the page you intended. This not only validates that your link is functional, but also reassures you of the added interactivity to your document. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to add a hyperlink to an image on Google Docs, enhancing your document's capability and allowing for a more interactive experience. Whether it's for sharing resources, connecting ideas, or boosting creativity, hyperlinking images can be a powerful tool in your document toolkit. Thanks for following along, and happy hyperlinking.